Greetings everyone, it's your girl Miss Neve here at Neve's Beauty Bar and Salon, and I am getting ready to curl this beautiful hair of mine. I have already installed the wig. We use our innovative no glue method for all of our wig installs. I have also already did my baby hairs, which I will provide in a future video. This is actually my immune boosting ginger cucumber fresh juice. So I have ginger cucumber, lemon, apple, and orange in this amazing concoction. Large amount of fresh ginger. So I juiced it, and here we are. It's really, really, really delicious. You should try it. So now we are at the very last curl, and I want to show you how to achieve this look. You want to insert your curling iron and curl it away from the face. So to get those nice feathered curls, you want to always curl away from the face all the way to the end. Hold it for about 5 seconds. And you're going to release the curl, and voila! We are done. Everyone, we are back again. I'm Miss Neve, and I'm here to show you the final results of this. What do you think? The final results. Stay tuned, and I will show you pictures of my completely final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. We will be coming back with more videos, more tutorials here at Neve's Beauty Bar. So again, don't forget to subscribe, and I hope that you enjoyed yourself today. Until next time, ciao.